Hello there, welcome back. I'm Mrs. Pickett here, and we are going to do another video today, but this time we're going to talk about the word area. And hopefully you remember area from when we talked about multiplication. That was kind of one of the things we used when we were trying to figure out an answer to a multiplication problem. So hopefully this word area isn't brand new to you, but if it is, that's totally okay. So think back to our last video. We talked about the perimeter of a shape. So let's review that for just a quick second. Perimeter, remember, is the area, the length that's around the shape. So if I was looking for the perimeter, I would take my length and I would add it to my width, and I would add it to my length, and then I would add it to my width again. So I'm looking for the length all the way around the shape. And remember, when we figure out the perimeter, we're adding our sides. We're adding all of our sides together. That was our last video. So the difference in perimeter and area is the area is what's inside. So the area is going to be all of this stuff in the middle. So when you think about area, you think about the number of squares you can fit inside of your shape. So our definition for area would be the amount of space that object takes up, or the area the object takes up. So to find the area, it's really, it's not hard at all. So let's say we had our rectangle here, and we knew that the length was, let's say 6, and our width was 3, okay? To find the area, or how many squares you can fit inside, you're gonna multiply those two numbers. So we have 6 groups of 3. So in this situation, you don't have to know all 4 sides. You only have to know the length and the width. So 6 groups of 3, hopefully you remember from our multiplication unit, is 18. So I would say 18, and instead of just saying units, you're gonna say square units, because you're figuring out how many squares you can fit inside your shape. So it almost would be like if I was drawing an array and I had 3 rows of 6. So just like something like that. It's like you're drawing an array, really. So area, array, that's where hopefully you remember from multiplication. When we talked about area, we also talked about arrays. So let's do another example. So this time here's my shape, and I'm going to give you my measurement in inches this time. So if I was looking for the area of the shape, the inside, remember, to find the area, you're multiplying length times width. So area equals length times width. We know that 3 groups of 9 is 27, and then again, we have to write the word square, but instead of units, we're going to say square inches. And I'm just going to abbreviate the word square and the word inches there. So when you're thinking about area, you want to remember that you're multiplying the length times the width, okay? When you have area, it's the squares you can fit inside, and the perimeter is this like the fence that goes around. I think I'm spelling my word wrong. Perimeter is going to go all the way around. Perimeter you add, area multiply. I'm going to give you 2 tries on your own, and then I will see you in class tomorrow. Okay, I want you to find the area of this shape. And if you want an extra challenge, you can find the perimeter too. You don't have to. And then again for your second shape. Make sure you find the area and the perimeter. Go ahead and pause your video and solve. All right, guys, go ahead and check those answers for me and see how you did. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Your joke as I leave you is, why are basketball courts so wet? Remember, if you're still struggling with area or perimeter, we're going to have lots of time in class to practice and get better at it. So I'll see you soon. Bye.